Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're researching SpininCash.com. Maybe you saw this site or someone posting on Facebook or a YouTube comment, and you're really smart enough to do your research and say, is this legit? Can you actually make money? Or is this a scam that you should avoid at all costs? Now, I've been online the last 5 years. I've reviewed hundreds of these sites that claim to be able to, pay you money for very little effort. And what I want to do is break down my honest review. So towards the end of this video, you're going to be able to get my verdict on whether or not you should do this or avoid it. Okay. Now, on the website right here, the very first thing that's going to catch most people's attention is they're claiming that you can earn $500 to $1,000 starting today. Okay. Now, first off, that's a massive claim because the tasks that they actually say you can do to make money on this site only pay you a very, very tiny amount. As for example, right here, it says that once you sign up, you can actually refer your friends and family, okay, through your own link, and they will pay you $15 for every person you invite. But as you stick with me in this review, I'm going to share with you why that's actually shockingly bad, and you don't want to miss out on this information, okay? So that's the first thing. Even if they actually did pay you $15 per person, which I'm going to share with you, some of the proof on the site is actually fake. But even if they did, you would need a ton of people to earn $500 in a single day. Okay, so it's just incredibly unrealistic. Now, once you actually register an account, you get taken to this page here. Okay, now they have different ways that you can actually earn money. They have the token wall. Okay, so if you click there, what they basically claim you can do is complete easy tasks such as installing apps or filling out your information in surveys to actually earn tokens, and you can use those tokens to convert that into money. But here's the problem, okay? If you go here and it says that you can click here and do this offer here and this offer here, the reason this site is actually doing this is because they are actually going to get paid when you enter your information. So they are basically selling your information to third-party companies, and that's how SpininCash, the owners, are actually getting paid themselves. You will not actually be able to get this money. Now, you may think, well, what if they give me a portion of the money that they're getting from companies, right? That could be legit. But I want to share with you a few things that are massive red flags. So if we go here and we go to the About section, okay, About Us, you can see that it's claiming that they have over 300,000 members and over $9 million has been paid out to those members to date. But what I did was I took the website SpininCash.com, I took it to a site called Who.is, which basically tells you information on when this site was actually created. And you can see some shocking information. It says it was registered on June 3rd, 2020. Okay, so at the time of recording this, a month ago. So in a month, do you actually think that that many people, okay, if I go back here, 300,000 people joined this site in a month? They paid out over $9 million in just a month, okay? Obviously they didn't. So that's not real. So what else isn't real? Well, check this out. So if we actually go to the site and you scroll down here, they have payment proof. So you may see this and go, oh, people are making money, but these are fake. And I'll share with you in a second. So what people think. So these are testimonials. These are basically people that have said, hey, they've made money. But check out what I did. So I took a few of these people's pictures, okay? So you can see right here, supposedly Gene Johnson, okay? I really love this site. I wish, y'all can keep those stimulus checks. I'm getting money right here. Okay, well, what I did was if you right click these images and go search Google for image, okay, you will actually get to find out where they found this image. And you can see right here, okay, this person is basically on a website where it's about aging black skin, okay? So they just found this picture and used it as a fake testimonial. I did that with Rosie here, okay? And you can see that she's found on free stock photo website. So again, the testimonials are fake. So do I think you should go with this? Absolutely not. You can see that the testimonials are fake. You can see that they're lying about how many people have actually joined in the last month, because chances are, though, you are looking for a legit way to make money. Now, for sticking around towards the end of this review, I want to share with you a free training webinar revealing my #1 legit way to actually make money online. There's going to be a link in the description, that first link. When you click that, you're going to get taken to my website. Go ahead, put your best email on that page, because in case I'm at the pool or I'm hanging out with friends and family, you're going to be able to get an instant email to your inbox with the private link to this free training. And again, you're going to see actual real proof where you can look up the people. It's not some Google image. And you're going to be able to see step by step how to implement that to actually make the amount of money you truly want. So again, in summary, my friend, I would highly recommend you stay away from this. There's actual legit methods online, and this unfortunately is not one of them, based on all the fake proof and the fake testimonials and things like that. So if you liked this video and you got value, be sure to click the like button below. That lets me know you want me to make more reviews on what to avoid and actual legit opportunities, because there are some out there. Be sure to subscribe also so you never miss out on my latest reviews. Comment below, did you try this? Did you not get paid? I'd love to actually read that. And last but not least, if you want a legit way to actually make money online, click the first link below and access that free training while it's still available. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next review.